Well, I can't believe it's time for a brand new video already. Seemed like just the other day I made a video. And, wow, look, I'm back at the state park. I thought, while I'm here, I'm going to do an update because last time I was here, there was a lot of water. A lot of water. And I can show you before and I'll show you after. After this. Hey people, how are we doing today? It's time for an update of the flood that we had. And we can actually go a little further today. And you will see what was so amazing to me. Well, for one thing, you remember last time, there's a lot of water there. Look at it now. That's right, the water's gone way down. And I'll make my way down there and I'll show you a few things. This will be amazing, incredible, and unusual. Oh, there's nothing like a nice long walk. Oh, and my future's so bright, I gotta wear shades. Hope I don't get in trouble for that one. Going now to a place that we couldn't do last time. I believe we were set right there. And look at all the lovely mud brought up by that flood. I'm not one to walk through a lot of mud. And as I recall, the water came up to right about here. Yep. That level. That was a lot of water. A lot of stuff in the water too. I'm talking to a camera.
Yeah, I know. I was trying not to be bother you. This is amazing.
This had to come from that flooding. Came all the way up to here. Well, yeah, I've been over this bridge a few times. Oh, I don't think anyone's ever seen it quite that bad before. Well, I'm not going to go that far. I got things I need to do. But I'm going to give you an assignment. I want to do a Q&A soon. If you don't know what that means, it means question and answers. I will answer your questions within reason. And I do mean within reason. I need the questions in before Christmas of next month. So if you have any questions you want to ask me, feel free. I may or may not answer them, but that's okay, isn't it? Oh, if you have any, okay, like I said, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section, and I respond to everything. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. Let me see what else. Oh yeah, if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, then by all means, subscribe, because you never know what's going to happen next. And of course, as always, you can follow me on social media. You can follow me on Twitter.
Pikachu?
Oh, I had to take my glasses off. I couldn't see what I was saying. You can follow me on social media. Oh yeah, I said that, I think. Let's see, what else am I supposed to say? Oh yeah! If you want to, you can write me a letter. You can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557. Well, that's it for right now, and I guess I will tell you, have a great day and see you later. Bye.